Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Explore. In this tutorial, we are going to assemble cylinder head parts of Boxer 4 engine. So let's start. Right click over top plane and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select center line. From this end, draw a vertical line. Press escape. Press enter again. And draw a vertical line similarly here. Now select smart dimension. This distance is 253.817806 millimeter. Similar distance in here also. Now exit the sketch. Now go to assembly. From reference, select plane. Expand assembly and select the top plane. Now second reference will be this line. Click on angle and input 14.865203. Now click OK. Click on the background to deselect. Now repeat the same process. This time click on flip offset. Then click OK. Now create two more planes for the right side using the similar method. Add 180 degree for opposite direction. This time click on flip offset, then click OK. Now right click over plane 1 and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Now select center line and from this edge draw a center line. Now this distance is 144.963389 millimeter. Then click OK. Now exit the sketch. Now similarly create center line on other three planes. Now click on insert component. Press Ctrl and select left cam and right cam and click on open. At first the left cam is selected, so put the left cam on left side, then put the right cam on right side. The keyway of the camshaft and crankshaft should be in same direction. So right click over the left cam and select move with triode. Then rotate 180 degree. Then click it. Similar to this side. Now press Ctrl and select the surface and this line, then click on Mate, select concentric and click OK. Select this end surface and this end point of the line, then select coincident and click OK. Now close the mate, expand insert component and select copy with mates. Now select the camshaft, then click on next, select the line and select the end point of the line, then click OK. Now close the mate. Do similar process in this side also. Now right click over plane 1 and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select center line. Put the cursor over the cam profile and the midpoint will be shown. From this line, draw a vertical line. Repeat the same process for all other cam profiles. Now right click over top plane and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select center line. Following this end, draw a vertical line. And similar to this end. Select smart dimension. And this distance is 413.78511.669 millimeter. And similar to this side also. Select center line. Now put the cursor over this edge between two cam profile. Then the midpoint will be shown. Following the midpoint, draw a horizontal line using the previous vertical line. Now repeat the same process. Now exit the sketch. Now click on insert component and select intake valve, valve spring and washer. Then click on open. Now click on the components to put it here. Now press Ctrl and select this surface and this surface. Click on mate. Select concentric and click OK. Now select the upper surface of valve and the lower surface of the valve spring. Then select coincident and click OK. Now select this surface and this surface. Select concentric and click OK. Select this surface and this surface. Select coincident and click OK. Now select this surface. Press Ctrl and select this line. Click on Mate. Select concentric and click OK. Now put it close to the cam profile, then close the mate. Expand insert component and select copy with mates. Now select all the components of this assembly, then click on next. Select the adjacent line, then click OK. Now repeat the same process. Now click on mate. Delete the pre-selected one. Expand mechanical mate. Click on cam. Now select the cam profile surface and the valve spring surface. Press enter. Now repeat the same process for all other assembly. Now rotate the camshaft to check the assembly. Now close the mate. Click on insert component and press Ctrl and select exhaust valve, valve spring and washer. Now assemble these components similarly as to the intake valve components. Now close the mate. Click on Insert Component and select Fuel Injector. Right click over it and select Move with Prior. Then rotate this part at suitable angle. Now press Ctrl and select this surface and the line. Then click on Mate. Select Concentric and click OK. Now select this surface and the first point of the line. Select Coincident and click OK. Now close the mate. Expand Insert Component and select Copy with Mates. Now select the injector, then click on Next. Now select the adjacent line and click on the first point of the line. Then click OK. Now repeat the same process for other two lines. Now go to File and save it.